To another video. In this video we will see few medical coding jobs for freshers and also few openings is for experienced candidates, and those openings is for work from home opportunity. So let's get into the video. So here the first opening is from Claris RCM, hiring for a fresher HCC coding. Life science freshers can apply. Certified freshers CRC, CPC, CCS certified. Walk in Monday to Friday, both day shift and night shift. Chennai location. So this is the address. For night shift they will provide night shift allowances, and including CIC, COC, CCS certified candidates also eligible. And this is for trainee medical coder position. Only life science graduates are eligible, B Form, M Form, and all these candidates. And walk-in timing 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eligible candidates batch 2022 to 2025. Immediate joiners are required. So that is the address. So they have not mentioned any address, so you can contact Preeti Bharat HR from Monday to Friday. If anyone have already given interview yesterday or today, or let us know in the comment section. So this is one opening from Claris RCM. Same opening here, they have mentioned 2000 openings. Fresher can apply, only certified candidates. So here is another opening from SCA Healthcare. They are hiring for we are hiring for fresher medical coder, CPC certified candidates preferred with life science background. This is for Noida location. So here they have given two email IDs. You can mail them. Only certified candidates they are hiring. This is for Noida location. So for this Claris RCM, you can contact Vigneshwaran P. HR. He is also senior manager HR. Here is another opening from IKS Healthcare, hiring for virtual hiring event, revenue cycle representative, billing, walk-in drive from February 3rd to the 8th of February, 2 days left. This is for Mumbai location. This is the job description and eligibility criteria, minimum 1 year of experience in billing. But here they have mentioned that this is for truly for freshers, only life science graduates, Navi Mumbai location. Same for virtual radiology assistant. Any fresher can apply with good communication skills, and this is for night shift. Navi Mumbai location 2.35 will be the CTC plus performance based incentives and night shift allowances also there. Maharashtra candidates only eligible. These all are the roles and responsibilities. And interested candidates drop your CV to ungiven numbers. So these all are the numbers, you can share your CV to them. This is not for medical coding, sorry, medical coding only, but this is another skill. So this is one opening from IKS Healthcare. So here is another opening from Omega Healthcare. They are hiring for trainee medical coder position, life science graduates and paramedical background only, and should have good communication skills and interpersonal skills. This is for Coimbatore location. CPC certification is mandatory. Immediate joiners preferred. Interested candidates share your CV to Manikandan HR. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare, and as we discussed in yesterday video, Omega also hiring for non-certified freshers for Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad locations, but they will provide 90 days training, and they won't provide single rupee in the training session. So for accommodation, you have to provide yourself. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. Jobixo hiring for medical coding of freshers. So these are all are the details they have mentioned. Huge hiring for medical coding freshers. Life science graduate can apply with good communication skills. This is for Bangalore location. Salary is best in industry. CPC certification is mandatory. Only life science background. Direct walk-in. They have not mentioned walk-in dates, but here they are telling this is for direct walk-in only. So share your CV to Nandini HR. She will provide you the walk-in date, and then you have to visit the office for the drive. So this is one opening for certified freshers. This is for Bangalore location. V Technology walk-in drive. Tomorrow is the last date for the walk-in drive. Only life science graduates are eligible. You have to bring 10th, 12th, and resume. These three mandatory documents to carry. So tomorrow is the last date for the walk-in. So this is one opening which we have already discussed in 1 week before. So here is another opening from Enoch Healthcare. They are hiring for medical summarizer and transcription. Tomorrow is a walk-in drive, indoor location. If anyone interested, just go for the walk-in drive for mentioned address. These all are the details they have given. These all are the roles and responsibilities. Read if you are eligible, then go for the walk-in drive. Omega hiring for non-certified freshers for a tricky location. Only paramedical graduates are eligible. We have already discussed about this opening in yesterday video. AGS hiring for medical coding freshers for a Jaipur location. Only nursing graduate 2022 to 24 candidates are eligible. So this is my Instagram ID. Do follow me in Instagram also. I have already uploaded these all openings in Instagram as well. So do follow me in Instagram. This is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please do follow me in Instagram for quick updates. I have already uploaded few of these openings in Instagram. So thank you for watching.